If your Play Store keeps saying something went wrong, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple steps that will help you fix this issue quickly. The first thing you should do is check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can trigger this error. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly, and try opening another website or app to confirm. If your internet is fine, the next step is to restart your phone. Most temporary glitches are fixed with a simple restart, and the Play Store often starts working again. If the error continues, clear the cache and data of the Google Play Store. Sometimes corrupted files or old temporary data stop the Play Store from loading correctly. Clearing them refreshes the app and solves the problem in most cases. After that, clear the cache of Google Play services as well. Play Services is the main system that supports the Play Store, and if it glitches, you'll see errors like, "Something went wrong." You should also make sure your phone's date and time are set to automatic. Wrong date or time settings can disconnect your phone from Google's servers and cause this error to appear. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs can block or slow down Google servers, which results in the Play Store showing errors. Another thing to check is your Google account. If your account isn't syncing properly, sign out and sign back in. This refreshes your connection with Google and often removes the error. Lastly, update your Play Store and Google Play services to the latest version if possible. Outdated versions can also cause errors. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix the "something went wrong" error on the Google Play Store. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.